So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to delete ChatGPT history. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the ChatGPT app downloaded from App Store or Google Play Store and log into your account with your Gmail ID. So let's open it. Here at the left side you can see two lines. Click on them. Then you can see lots of topics here, so click it and you can archive it, rename it, and you can delete it. I am deleting it, and again click on delete option. Now your chat has been deleted. Here you cannot see the say caption. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.